What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are not reacting. We are ranking from S to F the Transformers movie. Starting with Transformer 1. It had its flaws, but it was a good movie, so it is going in S tier. This one this one was good, but it wasn't better than the first one. So Dark of the Moon, I'm gonna give S tier. Actually, we're gonna move it down because Ironhide died. This one I've watched so many times. It is a good movie. Now, the last night. Where do I put this? This isn't really a good film. I'm gonna put it in D tier. I'm gonna explain why. Bumblebee movie. We'll move on to Rise of the Beast. Rise of the Beast, I really liked. It is going in S tier. Has its flaws, but it's better than the first one and the third one. Now the Bumblebee movie, it had John Cena in it. Actually, we're gonna move it to C tier. So the last night. Now the first one, it had the first three, actually the first four actually had like a kind of a storyline, and then it drops at the fifth one because the movie starts in medieval times, which, and then it says Bumblebee was, because like they say that he was in the first one, they say that he was here for like a while, but they don't say he was at World War II. They say he's in World War II, and name have a different name. The only thing that carries on from the other ones, from the fourth one, is that the Transformers are hated. Anyway, that is the end of this video. I know this video is short, but just make sure to like and subscribe. I might rank the characters. So, yeah. So stay safe. Bye.